Philippines, like welcome to welcome people. Say mabuhay.
Salamat in Filipino is thank you.
Thank you, right? Yeah.
Thank you. So from the luwak is the animal.
Ayan,
So yeah,
and then
it will
the
eat
poop.
the poop of
Ito yung-
this is the poop of the
And gagawa ng coffee.
English, please.
Ah, okay, stop na natin. Char. Pero tingnan niyo guys, oh. Good. Or inom kami ng coffee from this one.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go!
She wears 5 rings, Bulgari watch, pierced states lip ray, her lips are gloss. But she only talks to me when she's bored. She likes her boys tied up in knots, like a necklace that's from Saint Laurent. But I'm just the one she keeps in her drawer. Well, if I'm another trophy you forgot, and I wonder why I'm here.
Uy, wala bang ahas talaga dito, Alexis, ha? Bilisan mo pag meron. Tumatawa yung lalaki sa likod. Abang daw yung brake.
I believe it completely. Is your touch a knife? Cause you're cutting me deeply. It's all I am to you. Your true will hate. If I let begin something resilient, would you throw me away? I'm just one of a million. It's all I am to you. Your true will hate. I got a reaction to every word you say. Only thinking about your troubles, everything that's gone lost since yesterday. Do you have to go and treat me like a fool? Do we have to fall apart the way we do?
Ooh, I got the time of my life. Hey, 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 hey.
Mukbang, dali, dali. Pakita mo.
Ang anghang.
Happy cooling. Cooling. Cooling.
Yeah! Say hi to the...
Oh!
Debut.
Yeah. Ayan, Nikki's turning 20. Secret.
Oh my god.
And then kumanta din si Sir.
Let's go a little bit party, guys.
Ito yung villa namin, Casa Malaika, and then marami siya dito, nakahilera. Ayan, and I believe puno yung place ngayon, kaya feeling namin safe naman kami. So, dito yung kwarto nila Mama V. Later, itutour ko kayo. Dito kami ni Bea, and then on the other side, sila Kyla and Alexis.
Ano sasanin mo? Dress ka blue? Ito.
Go, go, go!
Ikaw yung front kasi nakaano kayo. Oo, matibay ka. Wait lang, huwag niyo buksan si Rocky muna. Yan, Rocky. Dali, dali. Dali! Yung curtain, yung curtain! Curtain, tusok-tusukin mo.
Sige na, ingat kayo.
Magbibigay na kayo ng ano?
Hindi na. Bea, di ka nang kasama na dito.
Oy, Rocky!
Kasama mo si Kylo. What if? Dito na tayo matulog sa isa, tapos mamag-aayos.
Alam mo, gago kasya tayo dito.
O, dito na lang tayong apat.
Ba?
Time check, 7:15. Yung usapan po namin ay dapat 8. Nakaalis na ng villa. But, na-late kami ng gising. And guys, na hindi kami pwede matalo. Narinig namin kayo. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Ano mga oras? 7? Narinig namin kayo.
No!
Hindi kami mag-dorm! Hoy!
Hindi yun. Wala kami sila. Next time tayo.
Hindi kayo yun! Pagka natin namin na, uy, gising na kaya sila kasi ano yung baka tayo.
Look! Hoy! Gumanyan pa kami ng door nyo. Nakalock pa.
Surprise! Ano oras kayo naligaw?
6:30!
Totoo!
Hindi
totoo, naliligo.
7 kayo nagbukas ng tubig!
Oo.
7 naligo kami no!
Hoy, narinig namin kayo, yung tubig nyo.
Hindi!
Bea, come on! Si Suzuka sumisilip! Hi, everybody! Wait, dali natin to ganito. Good morning, everybody! I'm alive! I'm alive!
Nag-usapin nyo kagabi eh! Basta mag-8-8 na.
Good morning, everyone. Today is, hindi ko alam, okay, October whatever, but ang alam ko lang ay day 4 na namin here in Bali, Indonesia. So, hindi ako salita sa vlog ko nung nasa Seminyak pa kami kasi like, gusto ko talaga chill lang tong vlog na to. So, we stayed in Seminyak for 3 days and then another 3 days here in Uluwatu. So, yeah. Okay, ito na ang TikTok addict. Hey, Suzuka! Let's go, Kateki! We're here at Milk and Madu for breakfast. Let's go! Milk and Madu. Sana magmasarap. Namaste po! Te. So guys, we're done with our breakfast and now we're walking. Papunta na Padang Beach. So maganda daw din. Today kasi ang plan namin is mag-market lang and hindi kami mag-beach at all. But i-insert na namin, siningit na namin yung Padang kasi titingnan lang naman namin. And after that, yun na, magma-market na kami. Like for pasalubong or shopping. Yeah, kanina pa kami naglalakad. So guys, from the beach, eto, babalik kami. Cave kasi yan eh. So, dyan kami mag-exit. Okay, we're now here in Uluwatu Leather. So, dito kami. Bibili ng bag. So, we'll see kung may makikita tayo. Oh my God! Kumuha ka ng 10 niyan. I think sa labas na lang kami bibili ng pasalubong or mag-shopping. Pero ang gaganda ng items, feeling ko curated yung mga nandito. Kaya kilala siya and sikat siya. So yeah, let's go. Okay, next stop. We're going to Arabica, which is nakikita mo rin sa Manila. Pero sabi nila, iba daw yung coffee here. So, we'll see. And dito pa lang sa labas, oh, tignan nyo. Sobrang aesthetic niya. Very minimalist talaga. Okay, we're here! Lexi, say hi kung di ka papagod. Hulas na! Ay, hulas na ba? Arabica na parang wala sa Manila. So, first time namin matitikman. Charot.
Actually, first time ko.
Sa Bali. Ay, talaga?
Yeah.
Sa PH okay naman. Ayun no. Sarap. Ready na natin kung iba yung beans na dito. Pero feeling ko safe lang naman. Pero sabi kasi nila, iba daw yung lasa. So,
Ganito din dito ba ba na?
yeah.
Okay, but they haven't, it's not like you go there for coffee.
Hindi ko nakikita. Oh, okay.
Yeah. We have matcha soft serve.
Guys, hindi ko maintindihan. Okay. So, ay, hindi pala kasi ito. Ito pala. Bean price pala yun. Okay, I'll get Spanish latte, of course, some oat milk, ice. Okay. Same price. Ay, same order as always.
Salamat. Salamat, Rocky.
I love you.
Brand reveal!
Tapos biglang dyan, may nakasilip pa sa gilid mo. Bayat! Ay, kaya Tawag kasi namin sa mga lalaki, guys, ay meep-meep. Oh, alam nyo na. So, yung mga hindi nanonood ng vlog ko, wala kayong alam. Final verdict. Same lang siya sa Pilipinas. So. Don't say the word.
No.
Kasi guys, tinatanong niya ako kung ano daw ibig sabihin ng ina. Sabi ko ay mother. And then, alam niya magsalita ng don't say put.
No.
No.
No good, no
Ay,
good.
don't say
Putang ina.
Uy! Nice one. Guys, tinatry namin catch yung sunset, but ito na yung nakikita namin. Yan, ayan o. Kaka-tiktok namin. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Guys, marunong siya. What's her name?
Ningsi.
Ningsi. Hi, Ningsi. She's gonna sing a song for us. Tagalog song. Tagalog song. What do you know?
It's a panong, muto, and pasilyo.
If you were to sing one song, what would it be?
Pano and pasilyo would be better.
Sample?
Paano naman ako nahulog na sa'yo?
Wow!
Binitawan mo lang ba talaga ako? Is right? Is it
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Is it correct?
Kasama ko lang naman yung expert sa pamotor. Ayan po, si Bianca.
Sila yung scooter girl.
So today, day 5 na namin here in Bali. Last full day. And we're so excited to spend the full day at the beach. Pero ayun, nag-rent kami ng motorcycle kasi gusto namin experience. Kasi nung nag-Siargao kami, nag-motor din kami din ng mama. Pero this time, hindi kasama sila Alexis nga lang. Nauna na sila sa beach.
Baby, back to my heart.
So guys, before Paradise, ito yung pinagdadaanan namin. Like, oh my God. Have to be careful. Pero nagba-vlog pa rin ako. Gusto mo yun? Oh my shit. Oh my gosh. Shit, yung pinagdadaanan namin. Oh my God. Mama, bigla. Careful. Thank you. Hindi ka pwede magmaganda dito kasi nakakatakot pa so much, guys. Mukha lang siyang hindi, pero ang steep niya. Steep na daan. But look. Ayan siya. Doon kami pupunta.
It's just the same old story.
Motorcycle to here! Hi! Nasaan tayo? Suluban Beach.
Oh, babe, I wanna believe ya, but you know.
Next stop, Thomas Beach. Ito naman, bababain namin. Ganyan siya. Boogs. Ano, hawak? Hawak?
Do you have to go and treat me like a fool?
Ooh.
Do we have to fall apart the way we do? So I take it to the highest mountain, hang it on a burning star, hold it up to the fire, then I let it all fall. Yeah, let it all fall. Baby, back to my heart.
We're here in Bali Banana. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. Sila lang nagsabi, mga ano daw, famous banana bread. Masarap daw. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa banana bread. Pero pang salubong. Pasalubong. Oh, ito, kunin ko na to. Okay na to. Okay guys, sold out yung pinunta nila dito. Pero okay lang yan. Balik na lang sila next week. Ooh.
Bali banana. 40,000 rupees.
Good morning guys! Today is our last day here in Bali. At hindi ako nakapag-room tour. Pero ito yung terrace namin. Then pagpasok mo here, ito yung master's bedroom. Diyan kami natutulog ni Bea. Nakita niyo naman sa video. And then pagpasok niyo here, diyan yung room nila Kyla. Hindi ko din napakita sa inyo pero maganda siya. So pagbaba, there's the pool. And then pagbaba here, we have the kitchen. Hindi din namin nagamit yung lutuan. Then yung dining area, hindi din namin ito nagamit. Kasi lagi kami sa labas kumakain. And then there you go. Magbumaba ka dyan. Yan. Living area, TV with Netflix. Oh, hiningal ako. And ito yung room nila, Mama B. Hi, good morning.